Hello. Time to tell you all the reasons why I didn't trade today. Today I was just this morning I did a morning analysis and price wasn't very clear in my opinion. I've got a lot better clarity now. Obviously I knew that price was on a bullish uptrend, so I'm not surprised at seeing price buy up so much. I'd like to see it if it's going to make the all-time high or not, but we never saw that today. We saw that price basically did a liquidity sweep on the low that I had marked out. And then we essentially had this price bearish below level that I was potentially looking to see sells at, but I wasn't looking to take them. I just wanted to observe them, but that never ended up happening. Price ended up just continuing to make higher highs, which is totally fine. But yeah, I didn't trade because of a lot of things, but I will show you them now. I'm in two minds about whether or not to take my volume ticks on or off. I've been back testing a lot today, and I took them off for back testing, and I do think it's kind of helped. Okay, where do I even start? So what I wanted to see was either price go like this. I made that continuation and then make a new indication, correction, and continuation. I would have taken the second one. I wouldn't have taken the first one because I would want to see like definitive trend movement, because it's just made one movement down. Like, I don't want to sell for that. Or I wanted to see price buy up and then buy up and make a new all-time high that I could take an ICC setup off of. That's what I wanted to see, but price never did that. I want to tell you about something that I was super confused about throughout the day. It was so bad. So I saw that obviously price broke out of this level, and then for some reason I wasn't paying attention at all. Like, I was not paying attention, and thank God I never acted on what I was thinking, because I realized it halfway through. I was thinking it. But I got above this level and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take buys. Like, I'm looking for buys now that it's up here. And like, oh my goodness, like, no, like, I should have had this up here this morning, because this is also a no trade zone, because I'm not taking, what am I going to take buys from? I was trying to figure it out for so long. I was like, why do I feel like I'm taking buys from here? Like, there's no levels that it's been, like, that it's crossed. And like, if you look at it, like, what high has it broken other than this one down here? Which low-key could have been a good setup, but I think, no, it didn't even, yeah, I mean, that could have been a good setup, but I don't know. It's such a small low, insignificant low, like, it would just be forcing it at that point. But yeah, tell me what high this level broke. It didn't break any highs, it only broke a low. So I don't know why I was thinking of taking a buy. And then the moment that I had that thought, I was like, today's probably not a trading day. Because it's like, the price clearly isn't showing me any good setups, and I'm forcing setups, so price clearly isn't that great today. But I didn't like stop trading there. I just wanted to see price either break a high or break a low, and it never did. It just kind of traded in between this range that we had from last week on Friday, which is totally fine. Like, it's fine. We don't need to take a trade today, and yeah, like, it's fine. Like, there's plenty of opportunities, and like, yes, some people may have made money from it, but it's not my strategy. It's not the way I trade, so it's okay. And yeah, I just would rather like high probability than anything. So I'm not too fussed about missing out on like a potentially good day, because obviously price did buy up today, but yeah, I'm not too stressed. What I did see on someone's analysis, which I thought was kind of cool, is that they saw a pennant flag. I think that's called a pennant flag, I can't remember. But they saw this chart pattern and they saw price break out of this range after it made lower highs, and like, yeah, okay, I can get what you mean. I'd love to like have an understanding of the chart patterns a little bit more, and like why they actually move that way. Like, obviously with the flag you can see that price is making lower highs, but then it's making like semi-equal highs. Like, I like that. I think it's cool to know for reversals specifically, and like even to figure out like if there's like a good momentum. Something I might look into later on. I've looked into it briefly, but not really too much. Anyway, let's stick to this. So yeah, I would thought for some reason that I was going to take buys up here, which I never obviously ended up doing it, but yeah. And yeah, the reason why I didn't take a sell here is because the high time frame is bullish, even though price did sell off. yeah, the high time frame's bullish. I didn't really see there to be a need to take sells, especially because when London opened, because obviously Asia didn't move barely at all, but then when London opened, it was just displacement through this level, like, and then even with this retracement, like, it just didn't retrace deep at all. So yeah, I just definitely wasn't looking to take sells today. And yeah, I really want price to just break either this level or this level, just to give me some type of indication on what's going on. Again, what I would have done better yesterday, this morning, I guess yesterday, because it's really late right now, that's why I'm so, like, deliriously tired, so I apologize. But what I probably would have done better is I probably would have marked out this as a no trade zone as well, because I could have identified, like, okay, clearly price is bearish below this level, so we're not taking any sells up here, and we need a new high in order to take an ICC setup. So this should have been a no trade zone here. This potentially didn't have to be a no trade zone. This was just more here for my own discipline sake, because I'm not taking any sells from this indication. But yeah, that one, this one here that I've highlighted, that's the only valid no trade zone in my opinion. And yeah, again, I kind of like that I've got the support and resistance here, because it does show that they are support and resistance levels, because I've had multiple touch points in the same spot. And I like how clean this liquidity sweep was. I think I'm starting to get the hang of liquidity sweeps a little bit more, and I'm kind of starting to feel a little bit more intuitive with them, because like look at that. It's like almost like a doji, but not a doji, a shooting star, like this one here. I have to look into the candlestick patterns more, but I'm starting to kind of get the hang of it and get the hang of like how liquidity sweeps work. Like I know, like when on ICT terms, I know what they are, because it's like I'll do the liquidity sweep to the opposite of the opposing liquidity pool, draw and liquidity level, double tops, double bottoms. Yeah, like I did do, like back in my ICT days, I did do liquidity sweeps there, but I feel like they work a little bit different when you're just trading pure price action and not looking for like the draw and liquidity and the like all of those type of levels and stuff like that. I feel like it just works a little bit differently, which is something that I'm definitely wanting to look into a little bit more. But yeah, I did see that and I was like, okay, yep, liquidity sweep, like, okay, got it. So that made me really happy. And then price again did close around that same level as that previous candle closed, this one here. And yeah, it's just made some bullish structures. So I guess I'll wake up in the morning, I'll see what price is doing. Hopefully it's doing something great. But anyway, let's do a little journal session. Just trying to take a screenshot. Quick. Oh no, I missed it. Dang, that's fine. I like to try and like be able to drag it because it's so much easier. Okay, trade recap. So again, it's gold. Oh, also, I'm really excited to add a new instrument just because gold's not been giving me anything. But I've been backtesting gold. I've been like doing well so far. I want to like go into my system and like I want to go in and like tag all of the trades that I've done with a gold tag so that I can get specific statistics for each instrument that I trade when it comes to like for the back testing wise, and then obviously live trading I'll be able to do the same thing. But yeah, I was thinking of potentially adding in like an options instrument, but I don't know if that's going to work with what's it called, ICC. I was thinking of QQQ or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but I just know that like the leverage is really good on options, but I don't know, I'll have to look into that more. Other than that, I'm thinking either Solana, because I can see Trades by Sky's been trading that a lot, or Nasdaq. I'm not sure about forex pairs yet. I kind of would like to try GU, but I don't know, I have to backtest them all and see what I think about the price action. Anyway, that's a side thing. Set up what opportunity I observed? None. There was no opportunity. Like genuinely, there was nothing. Like maybe there was I wouldn't even call that I'm just gonna put that in there. Bearish ICC maybe, but I would never take it. Like I would not take that. When I say bearish ICC setup, I'm talking about this indication correction. But what even makes me feel not confident about this is on the 4 hour. There's no swing low here. It's not a swing low. Even when you're talking about wicks, it's not a swing low. But then here, it's obviously a swing low. So that makes me even more conflicted and not wanting to take that one. So what's next? Emotions. Wanting to take trade. And also just tired. Did I follow my plan? Yes. Mistakes noticed. When I thought to take a buy above the bearish below level. I think from now on I'm just gonna label my levels like it's bearish below here if you're gonna take a sell, it's bullish above here if you're gonna take a buy, and then that way I'm not getting confused, and I'll color code them as well because that was just ridiculous today to think of taking a buy without an indication level. And the discipline rating, let's say an 8 because I'm saying that that's a high discipline rating because I didn't do my daily routine when it comes to like my affirmations, my notes and things like that. I didn't do that. However, I did do back testing and I did do study today. So at least we're getting there with that. So one step closer. But yeah, I'll rate myself an 8. Key takeaways: market always presents opportunities. I literally say this a million times because I just need to ingrain it in my brain. What I'll do better tomorrow, do my whole routine. And back test because that's really helping me. Okay, let's get this screenshot and then go to bed because I'm so tired. Oh, that's so annoying. Go away. Okay. No. Wait, what am I doing? See, I'm so tired. Okay, that'll have to do. But yeah, that is my trading day. It's super eventful. So much happened. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, you can see one trade this month. So let's hope that the rest of October gives some better opportunities. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. I'm excited. For tomorrow, I'm literally so tired right now. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Like, I'm so tired. Anyway, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for my morning analysis, and let's see what price does. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.